Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Diary. Today's DIY is to prepare neem soap to get rid of acne and pimples to achieve spotless, clear, glowing skin. It is useful to get rid of body acne also. Let's get started. You can buy this soap base from Amazon, link available in description. Or you can use any glycerin based soap. Here I am using 500 grams of soap base to make 4 soaps. Let's cut the chunk into pieces. I can watch the soap cutting whole day. Using double boiler method, melt all the soap base cubes. Stir occasionally. Let it melt completely and keep the flame on low. Then add all the ingredients to the liquid. Be ready with the ingredients and add all of them before it solidifies. Firstly, adding all the liquid ingredients. Adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is fantastic for skin, great for soothing dry and irritated skin. Here I am using cold pressed neem oil 1 tablespoon. Neem oil helps in reducing acne causing bacteria and inflammation, making it effective in treating acne. Known for its antibacterial, antifungal and antiseptic properties. Adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a versatile skincare ingredient with several benefits. As you all know, turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce acne breakouts and calm inflammation. Finally, adding neem powder. You can dry the neem leaves and grind them into fine powder. Or you can use store-bought neem powder. Adding 2 tablespoons of neem powder. Mix well and make sure there are no lumps in it. Don't forget to add few drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is highly effective in combating acne causing bacteria and reducing inflammation associated with the acne. Transfer the liquid into silicone soap mold. Let it sit in room temperature until it solidifies. Or you can keep it in refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now they are ready to use. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Diary.